Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I wanted to show you my newest creation, my Doily Scarf Necklace. I created this for my daughter while she was overseas. It will work very nicely with just about any scarf knot. You just have to remember that you have to be patient with it because it will catch on itself, unlike the cloth. Here's a simple knot which we use the most. You can also do more complicated knots. Here I'm folding this scarf in half. And then I'm taking it and threading through the fold and then lifting it up and bringing the other piece through the fold. And that's another way you can wear it. There are many videos online that show you scarf knots. Some won't work with the beaded scarf, but many will, so please feel free to try some out. Now the scarf knot, we will thank our little plushy friend from my daughter. Very nice model for us, and the scarf is actually made up of teeny tiny doilies. I connected them going top to bottom and side to side. Now I found that it is best to have at least 2 rows for the scarf, because with just 1 row it tends to tangle more. Having 2 rows gives it more stability. For patterns, I have them on my Pinterest account, and I also have up tutorials. Here's one for the teeny tiny doilies. Now in the video it shows you how to add accessories. You can skip that part as you will not need an accessory for the scarf. It also shows you how to connect the tiny doilies one to the other going down. Here I want to show you how to connect when you do the second row. Connect it to the first row as you're creating it. Now in the video I have you going through the next 2 connecting beads to add the last circle for your doily. Instead, I recommend that you go through the bottom of the previous circle. Then you'll add on your last 3 beads. Then you'll connect it going through 1, 2, 3 beads. And you'll be coming out where you started. Then you want to go down through that first bead you just added. And here you're coming down out of the side of your last doily created. Then you will add a bead to your string. And on the next one you want to go up through the second bead from the bottom. And then you want to go through the next bead as well. Then you'll add a bead, and over here you'll go through the second bead from the top, and then through the bead that your string is coming out of. And now you've connected your 2 doilies together, and you're ready to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 beads to get in position for your next doily that you will add to continue on with your piece. And that is how you connect one to the side so that you can add your second row to your first row as you are beading. And I hope that you enjoy making beaded scarves. You can make them as long as you want. You can also make them as wide as you want. And another thing you could do is with 3 rows, you could connect the third row also to both these and make kind of a rope scarf. Plenty of options for this, and I do hope you enjoy making these doily scarves.